Hey, Tigers, hope you're keeping safe and well. Guys, today I am bringing you some more 5-minute craft. Are you ready, Tigers, for your brain cells to be leached from you? Guys, before we do any of brain cell leeching, hit this subscribe button in the face with that daily notification alarm bell. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. It's all engagement and feedback for me, guys. I'm a nosy bitch. I want to know what you think to these videos. Without further ado, smash that comments box down below with that Linktree link in the description box, and let's roll that intro. Tigers, it looks like we're starting off with some M&Ms. But the thing is though, have you noticed something very sketchy about these M&Ms? You can tell they're definitely M&Ms, not Smarties. Look at these brown ones here. You can just see the M being rubbed off, but not successfully. Unfortunately, that might actually, you know, cause some issues later on down the line, but not for us, Tigers. Anyway, you've burnt the chocolate. You've burnt the chocolate. You dozy bastards.
You dozy bastards.
It's burnt. What a bright sun. Because you just like roll out of bed like that, don't you, right, Tigers? You know, you just roll out, and then all of a sudden there's some magic, what looks like a rolled up piece of cardboard or card paper. I don't know what it is. It's some paper that's tan colour. But all I'm going to say is, no, that does not happen, does it? Oh, now you're trying to concertina it up. That's laziness. What are you making? Oh my god. No, Tigers, this won't work. Oh. Oh, what a waste of Pringles. Where was the egg that coats it, you know, to bind the batter and stuff like that? Where was the flour? You know, if you're going to make a crispy stack of blooming Pringles, you do it properly. That looks grim. Why? Oh, that's dry. Oh, a big banana. She's got something sharp.
She's got something sharp.
Okay, bananas and chocolate. Marshmallows. No, now you've ruined it. Oh no. What have you done, love? Oh, that looked like shit, Tigers. What was that? Smelly old mud, gross. Right, okay, as we all know, right, Tigers, this is not mud. There's an onion leaf, carrot, a bit of egg, some pesto-y sauce kind of weird shit, some more egg or cheese, another flake of blooming onion skin. Like, seriously, this is not mud, is it? No. No, it's not, you stupid
No, it's not, you stupid
What are we going to do? Oh, no, we don't, like, clean it out or anything properly. I think you're kind of missing... Oh, really? No, it doesn't work, Tigers. I swear to God, that is some bad editing. Because you don't just give it a quick shake like that. It looks like you're giving somebody a blooming hand job. YouTube demonetization alert.
YouTube demonetization alert.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. And what on earth is this tap? No, that looks horrid. Oh God, what is this? The 50s? No, what is this? The 1910s? Or just before the war? When taps look like this? Like, what on earth is this? That looks foul. It looks like you've got some 5-minute craft hanging basket or pipe or some weird shit from Summit and stuck a bend in it with a 5-minute craft Summit to bend it with, and then you stick it on as a tap for a video. No. Cut the mankiness off it. Oh, okay. If you're using this as a flame. Oh God, that's going to burn. That will burn, Tigers. Don't do it. There's thick eyeshadow. If you can get eyeshadow that's blue there, love, you can put a bit of brown or black eyeshadow there. You do not need to burn the frickin' stalk of a bloody bastard banana. Oh my God. You guys wonder why I get so pissy. This is... Oh God. Look at that. I'm a popaholic. Dr. Sandra Lee, eat your heart out. Dr. Sandra Lee, what would you do? I'd give it a bloody squeeze. Obviously with gloves, you know, hygiene and all that lot. And I'd also recommend some SLMD skincare as well. Like, oh my gosh, guys, have you tried it? Whew. It's a bit pricey for me, but I have tried some samples of it. Dr. Sandra Lee, that is some blooming good cream, and if I could afford it, I will buy it. It's amazing. But it looks like this woman needs it here. Like, oh my God. What on earth? Sort that out, love. Sort it out, because that's triggering me. I want to squeeze it. Squeeze it. Oh, I do like that vibrant blue, though. I do like that. That'd be good for gynecologist. Check out that TikTok. Guys, that playlist is good. Bake in the oven. Oh, okay, what we're making now. That looks disgusting. Do you know what it looks like? It looks like somebody's taken a rather adventurous skid mark on that. That is all I'm going to say on that. Natural fertiliser. So some blooming bullshit like, but still, this is bullshit. Jesus Christ. Or shit's even better. Why are the bananas so disgusting? Why would you have a bit of decomposed banana? And then you put whipping cream in. Whipping cream. Oh, I'd love to know what you're going to make. If that's some banana milkshake. No, it's not. It's ice cream. Okay. Oh, actually, that does look rather nice, but I bet it tastes rather freaking shit. 1, that banana's going brown. Looks overripe. 2, pardon me, the bananas that have gone into this... it just doesn't look right in the bowl, guys. It does. I would eat banana ice cream, yes, I would. But not if it looked like this. It looks like frozen sick. It's like someone's gone, oh, here, let's take this meatball, swat some like normal sausage meat around it, then throw up on top of it, and then sprinkle some chocolate sauce. Why would you even want to do this? Are you that bored? Oh my God. What? Yeah, and it's a sellotape that helps it. It works. Twist it. All for about 5 seconds of visual pleasure. Not even the pleasure, really. Sorry, I've got to take that back. He's not even done it. There was nothing there in the first place for him to shave off. Do you seriously think we're that bloody stupid? Look how close it is to his eye. What's all this yellow shit here? Darling, you've got a bruise. Looks like someone's had a bit of a black eye. That looks like... Oh, God. Sort yourself out, mate. Look at your eye. Oh, God, you've got a red nose and yellow eyes. Are you jaundiced? Have you got some issues there? You might need to go and see a doctor for bad acting. Rub it on your hair. Yeah, and I learned that at school. As a primary school. Oh my God. This is not sponsored by Red Bull, but if it was, oh my gosh, 5 Minute Crafts would get some wings. Oh, you've got to make sure, Tigers, you put the correct amount in. Not the actual amount in mils or anything like that, but the correct amount. Use the bloody spoon. Sweet potato. No! What on earth are you doing? Just use the freaking oven. Oh my God. I am going mental. Whoa. Right. Does anyone notice anything? Or also, you know, are you paying Morphy Richards for this? What a foul toaster as well. But guys, there's something blue in this plant pot here. And why the hell is there an upside down piece of Tupperware, probably either from this 5 Minute Crafts or a previous 5 Minute Crafts video, that shouldn't be there in a bloody upturned plant pot? Because they look that good, don't they? And why would you have sweet potato and guacamole? Oh, that cake looks like 5 Minute Craft cake. Yeah, rewind it back. No, it doesn't work like that, Tiga. Shall I tell you why? I've tried this before. You see, when I went to catering college, I can safely tell you now, they never taught us to do this. You don't need to do this. You can use both shells. And the more you do it, the easier it gets, and the more competent you are at breaking the egg open, separating the white from the yolk, just using the 2 eggshells going like that. You don't need this funnel, Tigers. It doesn't work, especially if the yolk is not structurally stable and either goes through the thing or just disintegrates in your hand. Because look how they're bloody cracking it open. Oh, it looks like snot. Oh, here we go. Oh, alginate. Nearly every pissing video there's bloody algae in it. Oh my god. You should just do a 5-minute crafts alginate edition. Like, seriously. Oh god. What on earth is this? Can you imagine how uncomfy? Wow. Oh, that looks disgusting. Guys, that's it, I'm afraid. But I always say it again. Every freaking week, guys. Every freaking video. I always say, I'm afraid. I'm not afraid. Tigers. Thank God that's over with. Like, how many bloody brain cells have I lost? Oh my gosh. Hit this subscribe button, Tigers, if you've lost loads of brain cells. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. It's all engagement and feedback from me, guys. I want to know what you think to these 5-minute crafts. Anyway, Tigers, stay safe, stay warm, stay well, and I shall see you on the next video.